Have you ever wondered why the crypto market seems to move in mysterious ways? What if I told you that the market isn't as unpredictable as it seems? That behind the chaos, there's a secret game being played, and it's controlled by a few powerful players who can move millions, even billions, in a single swipe. These crypto whales know something you don't. They've cracked the code, and now they're using it to pull the strings while the rest of us are left chasing our tails. But today, you're going to learn how they're doing it, and how you can get ahead of the game. Stick around because what I'm about to reveal is something most people will never tell you. Want to understand the secrets that could make or break your next big investment? Ready to uncover the hidden strategies that billionaires use to control the flow of money? Don't go anywhere, because we're diving deep into the dark side of crypto. And trust me, you're not going to want to miss this. If you're serious about taking your crypto game to the next level, here's a small favor I'm asking of you. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. I've spent hours researching, analyzing, and uncovering these hidden strategies, all so you can get access to the kind of insider knowledge that can change the way you look at the market. This isn't the kind of information you'll find anywhere else, and it's my way of giving back to the community. So hit that bell and I promise, this will be worth your time. By liking and subscribing, you're not just supporting the channel, you're making sure that you never miss the next big revelation I'll be dropping in the world of crypto. Let's get started. Welcome back to the channel, where we uncover the truth behind some of the biggest mysteries in the crypto world. If you've been paying attention, you've probably noticed something strange. Bitcoin and other major cryptos seem to move in unpredictable ways. One minute they're up, and the next, they're crashing. But what if I told you that these swings are not random, that they are orchestrated by a select few people, known as crypto whales, who have the power to make or break entire markets with a single move? Now, I know what you're thinking. How is that even possible? Aren't the markets supposed to be decentralized? Don't the people control the market? Well, in theory, yes. But in practice, that's a whole different story. The reality is that the crypto market is manipulated, and it's manipulated on a massive scale. And the people doing the manipulating, they're not just average investors like you or me. They are billionaires, hedge funds, and corporate giants who hold the keys to billions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency. These whales hold the real power in the crypto space. And I'm not talking about the occasional big trade here or there. I'm talking about multi-billion-dollar positions that can move the market by 10%, 20%, or even 30% overnight. But how do they do it? How can a small group of investors control an entire market that's supposed to be decentralized? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about liquidity. In the crypto market, liquidity refers to how easily assets can be bought or sold without affecting the market price. The more liquidity there is, the less likely the price of an asset is to be affected by any single trade. However, when whales hold massive amounts of a particular cryptocurrency, they can move the market with just a few large trades. Imagine this. A crypto whale decides to sell a portion of their Bitcoin holdings. They place a sell order for a few $100 million. As soon as that order goes live, the price of Bitcoin begins to drop. Other traders, especially retail investors, panic. They start selling their holdings thinking the price is going to continue falling. The market starts to tumble. But here's the thing. The whale knows this will happen. They use this drop to buy back in at a lower price. And, boom, they've just manipulated the market and made a profit while you were left scrambling. But this isn't just a one-time trick. This is something that's happening on a daily basis. And if you don't know how to spot it, you could be left on the sidelines, watching others profit while you lose out. And here's the scary part. Most people have no idea it's happening. But now that you're aware of how this works, you can avoid being the one who's manipulated. One of the most powerful tools that whales use is the media. If you've ever seen a tweet from Elon Musk that made Dogecoin skyrocket, you've witnessed firsthand how whales use influencers to create FOMO, fear of missing out, in the market. When a whale or an influential figure tweets about a particular coin, the masses rush to buy it. The price goes up and then, you guessed it, the whale sells at the peak. But it doesn't stop there. They use psychological manipulation to push the market in the direction they want. Hype, FOMO, and greed are all emotions that drive retail investors to make poor decisions. And the whales, they thrive on it. Now, if you've ever bought into a coin because you saw a massive surge in price, only to see it crash a few days later, you've been a victim of this strategy. Whales create hype, trigger FOMO, and then sell into the hype, leaving you stuck with a coin that's plummeting in value. So, what does all of this mean for you? How can you protect yourself from being manipulated by these crypto whales? Well, here's the good news. Now that you know their secrets, you can start thinking like them. The first step is to understand that the market is not as random as it appears. Every rise and fall has a reason behind it. But here's the kicker. The real opportunity isn't in chasing every coin that's hyped up on Twitter. The real opportunity is in predicting what the whales are going to do next and positioning yourself to profit before they make their moves. By watching the volume of trades, looking at the liquidity of assets, and understanding how the whales are manipulating the news cycle, you can start to play the game smarter. You don't have to be a whale to win, but you do need to be strategic. In the end, the crypto market is a game, and only those who understand the rules of the game will win. The whales know this game better than anyone, and they're using every trick in the book to get richer while we're left scrambling to catch up. So, are you going to keep playing by their rules? Or are you ready to take control and start playing your own game? Like I said earlier, it's all about strategy. By staying informed, staying ahead of the game, and using the knowledge that I'm sharing with you today, you can make better decisions and avoid the traps that the whales set. If you're serious about taking your crypto game to the next level, here's a small favor I'm asking of you. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. I've spent hours researching, analyzing, and uncovering these hidden strategies, all so you can get access to the kind of insider knowledge that can change the way you look at the market. This isn't the kind of information you'll find anywhere else, and it's my way of giving back to the community. So hit that bell, and I promise this will be worth your time. By liking and subscribing, you're not just supporting the channel, you're making sure that you never miss the next big revelation I'll be dropping in the world of crypto. Let's get started.